How to recover deleted audio call recording on your phone. So to do that, what you can do is simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone, and on the search bar you can simply search for phone and audio recovery. And when you search for it, you will see many apps here. So read the app properly and install any one app from it so that your call recordings can also be recovered from here. So since I've already downloaded this app, which is audio recovery app on my phone from the Google Play Store, what I can simply do is after opening the app, I will be seeing an interface like this. And when I tap on the button restore, just see the ad and skip the video. After doing so, just click on restore deleted audios, and after you restore it, you will be able to view your restored audios. It will take some time if you have the deleted audios on it. Since I have non-audios, non-call recordings that I have deleted, so it does not show anything. But if you have it, then you can just click on show deleted files, or you can simply go on your files from settings and you will see all the audio recordings, call recordings on your phone. Do try it and give the feedback. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.